Sourcing products for Amazon FBA involves finding, selecting, and procuring products that meet Amazon's standard for quality, demand, and profitability. Here's a step-by-step guide to sourcing products for Amazon FBA. Research product ideas. Market research. Start by researching profitable product categories. Use tools like Jungle Scout, Helium 10, or AMZ Scout to identify trending and in-demand products. Analyze competitors. Look at competitors' listings to see what is selling well and determine potential gaps or opportunities. Evaluate product viability. Profit margins. Ensure products have a reasonable profit margin after accounting for Amazon FBA fees, shipping, and product costs. Demand. Use sales data and market trends to ensure consistent demand. Competition. Assess how many competitors exist and whether there is room for differentiation. Sourcing suppliers. Manufacturers and wholesalers. Source products from reliable manufacturers, wholesalers, or distributors. Consider platforms like Alibaba, Thomasnet, or local suppliers. Samples. Request product samples before bulk purchasing to ensure quality. Product quality control. Ensure products meet Amazon's product guidelines and comply with legal and safety standards. Negotiate terms. Work with suppliers to get favorable terms such as bulk discounts, longer payment terms, or expedited shipping. Shipping to Amazon. Coordinate logistics with suppliers for shipping products to Amazon FBA warehouses. Ensure proper labeling and packaging to meet Amazon's guidelines. Monitor and scale. Regularly track product performance using Amazon Seller Central Analytics and scale your sourcing efforts based on product success.